Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your VU TV model and powering it on. Once done, connect the TV to your home Wi-Fi so the assistant can access cloud services. Make sure your remote or phone has Bluetooth enabled, then open the TV's voice setup menu in Settings. You'll see a pairing prompt. Select your remote or companion app. This first step creates the secure link the assistant needs, and it speeds up later recognition, so don't skip pairing. Once paired, you configure your voice profile so the assistant recognizes your voice. Follow the on-screen prompts to create or link an account. Make sure to grant microphone and relevant permissions, including location and network access, because the assistant needs them to fetch results and control devices. You'll also train a voice model by repeating 3 to 5 sample phrases. This improves accuracy. After training, test basic commands. You're ready to use the assistant for navigation, search, and smart home control. Speak natural commands such as open Netflix, find comedies, or set volume to 20. If the assistant stops responding, restart the TV and remote first. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and the microphone permission is still enabled. If problems persist, check for firmware updates and repair the remote only as a last resort. A quick troubleshooting tip. Rebooting the router and TV often resolves intermittent recognition errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.